What's up, guys? I'm back at the shop today because, one, I didn't get around to putting the case together last night, obviously. Got everything here, brought my case sealer. I'm using 3-bond on there. We got a case gasket as well, but we'll stack all of this. So what I'm gonna do now is throw these bearings in the freezer for a little bit. Just click the oven on. Haven't been coating anything today, but bearings will go in the freezer. Put the cases in the oven for a little bit. They don't have to get scorching hot or anything, but just get some heat in them. And we'll just drop the bearings in the nice and easy way. I'm gonna move some of the customer stuff here and probably use this bench. My main workbench where we took the thing apart, compressor's going, it's way too loud out there, so we're not gonna do that. Deal with this kind of cluttered area, so. More two-tone stuff. Check this one out. Nice gloss black wheel. Chrome lip. Really fun. Not at all, but let me let this sit in the oven for a little bit. We'll be back when we're ready to start assembly. and then it's time to make that morning drive. Work all day till I'm totally beat. Get back home and fall right to sleep. Alarm goes off in the morning and the cycle's complete. Work, sleep, repeat. Yeah, work, sleep, that's all I ever do anymore. Work, sleep, work, sleep, work, sleep. Somewhere up the line I forgot what I was working for. Yeah, there goes life, looks like it ain't slowing down for me. All I ever do is work, sleep, repeat. Seems like yesterday I was 17, running bootlegs and draws and screens. Now I'm running up debt and I'm scrambling to make ends meet. So work, sleep, repeat. Yeah, work, sleep, that's all I ever do anymore. Work, sleep, work, sleep, work, sleep. Somewhere up the line I forgot what I was working for. Yeah, there goes life, looks like it ain't slowing down for me. All I ever do is work, sleep, repeat. Sometimes at work I just sit around and fantasize about how I can save myself from dying in this working life. And that alarm goes off again at 4:45. Roll out in bed, rub the sleep from my eyes. Throw on a shirt and some jeans and my boots, and then it's time to make that morning drive. Yeah, work, sleep, that's all I ever do anymore. Work, sleep, somewhere up the line I forgot what I was working for. Yeah, there goes life, looks like it ain't slowing down for me. All I ever do is work, sleep, repeat. All I ever do is work, sleep, repeat. All I ever do is work, sleep, repeat.